Hi, in this video, I'm gonna be walking through how to add mobile quick action bar in Wix website. First of all, go to your Wix website editor. And now we have to enable mobile editor. So in this top menu, click on switch to mobile and then you'll directly jump into Wix mobile version. And in this left hand menu, you will find this mobile tools. Just click on that. And here you will find quick action bar. Just click on this plus icon. And as you can see, mobile quick action bar successfully added in my Wix website mobile version. Now it's time to customize these options. So if you want to remove any elements from quick action bar, just click on this three dot and just click on remove and the element will be removed. To add more elements, click on more actions and here you will find bunch of different elements. You can add any of them to your quick action bar. Let's add Twitter. Now to set up any of them, just click on this three dot, click on setup, and now in this web address box you have to write your social media account or profile link. So go ahead and type the link, and how does it open? You can select new window or you can select current window. To add here your Facebook page link, click on this three dot, click on setup, and in this box you have to paste your Facebook page name and click on done, and your Facebook profile or your Facebook page will be connected with the Facebook button. And now just cross the settings and click on design, and now from here you will be able to select any different quick action bar design. So by default this design is selected. You can select any different quick action bar from this list. So let's select the default one and you can click on customize design, and here you can change your button background color. You can add a border. So go ahead and customize your quick action bar and click on layout. Also from here you will be able to change your action bar layout and click on settings. You can, do you want to show levels? You can select any of them. And now let's preview our quick action bar in mobile view. As you can see, action bar icon added and it's working perfectly. Now anyone will be able to easily access my social media account by clicking on this three dot, by clicking on any of them, and they will directly jump into our social media page. So this is how we can add mobile quick action bar in Wix website. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.